Hi, this is the OPPO A38 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen with our finger, then you could select a couple of applications and click to create a folder. Now we could see that the folder has created successfully. And also you could make it by another way, just hold the application and drag this up to another one. To move folders on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. If you wanna make folder bigger or smaller, you should hold it, tap to enlarge, or just hold it and tap to shrink. To rename the folder, click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Also you could just remove the application from the folder by a couple of ways. Hold it and tap to remove icon, and just by this way you'll remove the application from the folder and from the home screen. You could also hold the application and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, and also you could just hold and tap to remove folder and to stay with the apps on the home screen. And also we could click here to remove folder and applications together, or also you could open the folder, hold it, select a couple of another folder applications, and for example drag them here to the home screen. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.